Such a big extreme difference from our Ohio trip. Was like really hot. Our Ohio trip's super hot, now we're super cold. But since then I got the heat working, so I'm pretty excited. So that's all good, man. Crossing was a little harsh.
I know you mean it. We're falling like stars. I know you noticed.
4 low for like rock crawling, some of that stuff where you're just like slower and more technical. And then like here, typically like in the summertime, if we're doing mud roads or something, you want 4 high. You get more wheel speed to clear your tires out. Same in the snow too. You want to get, if they get packed full of snow or mud, and you want to fling that all out. So you want a little bit higher tire speed.
So what'd you use back there?
I was in 4 high.
Is that good? Oh yeah.
You're the first one. Here we have a classic example of poor driving skills from the Terrable. The snow, speed and momentum is your friend. Watch out for the deep banks. Look bad.
Look, you've done this before.
Well, you know, a time or two. Not my first rodeo, as they say. Oh yeah. Great. These B-level roads are sweet. The bigger the drifts, the better. Basically in the state of Iowa, they're unmaintained roads, mostly for like farm field access. So yeah, they just don't maintain them. They get kind of rutted up, muddy. So fun, man. It's the best we got out here.
something snap?
Oh no!
We heard a big pop.
You broke something?
Yeah, maybe.
Stub shaft. Well, actually, it's the main shaft, inner shaft, broke coming out of the axle to the driver's side wheel, which because it doesn't have a locker in there, the drive shaft, the axle will just spin the easiest side to spin, and so that side's broken. It only spins the broken side. Therefore, the axle does nothing. So it's just dead weight. Now it's going, because when you were backing up, it was fully stuck.
Yeah. You think you can cool it? Oh, no.
Just saw the oil.
Pretty clean in here.
Yeah, that's my plan.
People. Upgraded intake manifold. Custom air cleaner. Heater hoses. New heater core. And a broken front axle. The skis of shame, dude. If your truck breaks, you gotta skis on.
Dude. Oh, Dad, you're getting too old for that.
Push the clutch. Start it up.
Still rolling the dice, still hoping to find a future for me.
Yeah, it worked out.
That was a model.
I'm still in this fight. I pray for the